ओम अथ एक श्लोकी भागवतम। आदौ देवकी देवी गर्भजननम गोपी गृहे वर्धनम मायापूतन जीवितापहरणम गोवर्धनोद्धारणम कंसच्छेदन कौरवादिहननम कुंती सुतां पालनम एतद्भागवतं पुराण कथितं श्री कृष्ण लीलामृतम् इति श्री भागवत सूत्र। Shri Krishna's Charitam, in short, is that he is Devaki's son, Gopi's admiration, Putana's killer, holder of Govardhana Giri, slayer of Kansa, destroyer of Kauravas, protector of Kunti's sons, and the central figure of Srimad Bhagavad Puranam. In an alternate way of explaining this Ek Shloki Bhagavatam, starting with birth from the womb of Devaki, growth in the house of cowherds, killing of Putana, lifting of Govardhana mountain, the cutting of Kansa, and the killing of Kauravas, protecting the sons of Kunti. This is Bhagavatam as told in the epics. This is the nectar of Sri Krishna's Leela. To explain the shloka, Adav, in the beginning, Devaki Devi Garbha Jananam, the one born of the womb of godlike Devaki. Gopi Grihe, in the house of cowherd woman. Vardhanam, the increasing or growth. Maya Putan Jivitap Haranam, killing of deceptive Putana who tried to kill infant Krishna. Govardhanodharanam, the lifter of the mountain, Govardhana, Krishna. Kansachedan Kauravadi Hananam, the cutting of Kansa and the killing of Kauravas. Kunti Sutam, sons of Kunti. Palanam, bringing up or rearing. Etad Bhagavatam, this one book or story relating to God. Purana Kathitam, as told in the Puranas. Shri Krishna Leela Amritam, the nectar-like story of the respectable Krishna. Iti, thus. Shri Bhagavat Sutra, the story of God Krishna in a short form. On this auspicious day of 7th July 2024, when Jagannath Ji's Yatra is being organized in Puri, Odisha. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe.